ኦኬ ሁሉ ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ይሄ አዲሱ አካውንቲንግ ኢለርኒንግ ቻናል ነው። እኔ አዲሱ ጥላይ ነኝ የኮርፖሬቲቭ ዲፓርትመንት መምህር ነኝ። እና ዛሬ ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት ፕሮጀክት አናላይሲስ ኤንድ ኤቫሉዌሽን ኮርስ ነው። ደን ከዛ ኮርስ የመጀመሪያውን ቻፕተር እንጀምራለን። ይህ ኮርስ በሁሉም ዲፓርትመንት ስለሚሰጥ ይህን ኮርስ እና ሌሎች ኮርስ አካውንቲንግ እንደ ፋይናንስ ስር የሚሰጡት ኮርፖሬቲቭ ስር በኢኮኖሚክስ እንደ ቢዝነስ ኮሌጅ ስር የሚሰጡትን ሁሉ ለማግኘት ይህንን ቻናል አዲሱ አካውንቲንግ ኢለርኒንግ ቻናልን ላይክ ሳብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳረሱ ኤጋ አን ቦሊሰ ኬሰን በርሲሳ አዲሱ ጥላይቲ ዲፓርትመንት ኮርፖሬቲቭ በርሲሳዳ ገናፍ ዲፓርትመንት ኮርሶታ kanneen asiin jala kennamanuu ፈንዳሜንታሊ ኮስት ፋይናንሻል ማኔጅመንት ሁንዱ መሳቱ አስጀለት ኮርስ ሄዱ ሲኒፍ ከና ከናፍ ቻናሊcha kana ቻናሊ አዲሱ አካውንቲንግ ኢለርኒንግ ጀዱ kana ላይክ ሳብስክራይብ ጎቹን ደጋተና አሙማ ኤርጋ ሀሳ kana dhageettanii ላይክ ሳብስክራይብ ቶልቻ ኦኬ ወሊ ገሌ ራቹል ሶ የዛሬን ክላሳችን እንጀምራለን። ፕሮጀክት አናላይሲስ ኤንድ ኢቫሉዌሽን ለዛሬን ክላሳችን የምንጀምረው ፍሮም ቻፕተር 1 ነው። ከቻፕተር 1 as you see from this definitions of project. What is a project? For the project there is no single definition. No definition of project will suit every situation, which means no single definition for a project. In other words, there are a number of ways to define a project. ፕሮጀክትን ዲፋይን ለማድረግ በብዙ መንገዶች ነው ዲፋይን የምናደርገው። ሲንግል መንገድ ብቻ ተጠቅመን እቺ ብቻ ነች ብለን ዲፋይን እናደርጋትን። በብዙ መንገድ በብዙ ሰዎች ዲፋይን የሚደረግ በብዙ መንገድ ዲፋይን የምትደረግ ነች ፕሮጀክት። then many people and organization have defined what a project is. Many organization have defined what a project. So there's a single definition because the project is defined by many people, by many organizations through different መንገድ through different way በተለያየ መንገድ should be differently. For that reason there is no single definition for project. Then and generally project can be described as a combination. This is the definition for this course. The project can be described as a combination of human and material. This combinations of human and material resource pulled together in an organization to achieve a specific objective. All project is one shot and እናቀዳለን እናሳካዋለን። then time limited አለው definite time አለው። የሚጀመርበት ታይም አለ፣ የሚያልቅበት ታይም አለ። ይሮት ጀልቀበ ሙቀበ ይሮት ጡምረ ሙቀበ ማለ ፕሮጀክቲን yeroo dheeraa hojjetamaati miti kan turu yeroo qaba yeroo daangaa yeroo murtaa'e irraa jalqabe yeroo murtaa'e dhuma goal directed qaba wanna mirkeessuuf hojjetu qaba. goal directed means major undertaking requirement commitment of varied skills and resource. And a project is temporary endeavor undertaken to produce a unique product, a unique service or result. እና የተለየው ፕሮዳክት የተለየው ሰርቪስ የተለየ ሪዛልት ነው የሚሰጠን ዩኒክ የሆነ ለየት ያለ and a unique set of coordinating activity with the definite starting point አለው finishing point. With the definite starting point finishing point undertaken by the individual, it's maybe by an organization to meet a specific objective, not general objective. Bear in mind, to meet a specific objective within the definite schedule. Within the definite schedule means time limited. Yero gababa yero murtai kan qab. Within the defined cost is of murtai qab. Within the defined performance parameters. This is the definition of project. From above all definition we can learn that project is an economic activity. From all above definition we can learn that A project is an economic activity, a development activity. It requires a commitments of resource. It bring some benefit from it is. ለወደፊት ሰርቶ ካለቀ በኋላ ምን አይነት ነገር ነው የምናገኘው? በነፊት እናገኘዋለን ሲንሰራው። The other concepts are characteristics of project. What the characteristics of project? Project have key characteristics of project. Key characteristics of project. The first key characteristics of projects are objectives. A project has fixed set of objects, fixed set, which means a specific project allow, objective allow. Then, example, the objective of project may be construction. It may be construction of highway connecting to city, which means Jimma to Nakamte, Addis Ababa to Hawassa, others Bahar Dar to Hawassa, Bahar Dar to Addis Ababa, Adama to Addis Ababa. That's covering distance is the objective. And the other definite time limit. This is the key characteristic of a project. A project has a definite time limit. It can't continue forever. Any project, it can't continue forever because it is time limited. Yeroo Taiwan gauf a project in fere famity. This is the characteristic of a project. The other key characteristic of a project are long-term effect. Its impact extend for into the features. ለወደፊት ተሰርቶ ሲያልቅ የትኛውም ፕሮጀክት ምን አለው? ሎንግ ተርም ኢፌክት አለው። present outlay generate benefit in the future. In the present outlay of generate benefit in the futures. Or the first key characteristics of our projects are irreversibility. A project once implemented may not be reversed. And የተጀመረው ፕሮጀክት ወደ ኋላ ሊመለስ አይችልም። አንድ ከተጀመረ ያልቅለታል። ምክንያቱ ኮስት ወጪ ብር ወጥቶበታል፣ አልቆበታል። ስለዚህ ጊዜው ታይም ጉልበት ያልጨረስንበት የለም። ስለዚህ የተጀመረው ፕሮጀክት ማለቅ ነው ያለበት እንጂ እዛው ዜሮ አድርገን ሌላ ፕሮጀክት አንጀምርም። ያ ፕሮጀክት ግዴታ ማለቅ አለበት። እዛው ዜሮ ተደርጎ ሌላ ፕሮጀክት በዛ ስም አይያዝም። so irreversibility, this is a key characteristic. In other words, the time, cost spent on conversion project may not be recovered at all or without substantial loss. The other key characteristics of projects are substantial outlay, which means a project often demands a substantial outlay, implying that any fault in its design, any fault in its implementation leads to the huge loss. This is the characteristic. The others, single entity, which means a project is a single entity and is normally interested to one responsibility center. The responsibility for that project is given to the one responsibility center, but while participants in the project are many, but the responsibility for that project is one. Atgafatamuman kakanamu center itokicha atgafatamuman sana qamni atgafatamu dandomra garu hojii sarratti hojii project sarratti kan hirmaachuu danda'u baay'ee namoota baay'ee ta'uu danda'a. Namoota baay'ee hirmaachuu danda'a. Responsibility ግን dhaabbata tokkoof kennama. The other key characteristics of projects are teamwork. Project is teamwork. Project የሚሰራው በቲም ነው፣ በግሩፕ ነው፣ ጋሬዳን kan hojjetamu namoota qocha miti. Any project calls for a teamwork. Projecting kamiyyuu namoota garaagaraa barbaada. The team members may be from different discipline. Amaloota adda addaa kan qaban, ogummaa adda addaa kan qaban, dhaabbata garaagaraa kan dhufan, biyyoota garaagaraa kan dhufan ta'uu danda'a. akka barbaachisummaa isaatti እንደየአስፈላጊነቱ ሰዎቹ ከተለያየ ዲሲፕሊን ሚንስ ከተለያየ ባህሪያቸው ከተለያየ ሙያ ከተለያየ ተቋማት ከተለያየ ሀገራት ሊመጡ ይችላሉ እንደየአስፈላጊነቱ so any project call for a teamwork any not one project this project ምንድን ነገር የለም any project calls for the teamwork. The others key characteristics of a project are uniqueness, which means no two projects are exactly similar. No two projects are exactly similar. ፕሮጀክቶችን ለማንተው ተስማው ሊፈቀድ ነው። ሁለት ፕሮጀክቶች በጭራሽ አይመሳሰሉም። የተለያየ ነው። ኢቭን ኢፍ the plant are exactly identical or are duplicated ምንም ያክል የሚገናኙ በመስልም የትኛውም ፕሮጀክቶች የተለያዩ ናቸው። ሁለት ፕሮጀክት ሊመሳሰል በኮስታቸው በታይም ስኬጁሉ በምኑ አይመሳሰሉም ማለት ነው። this is uniqueness. This is the characteristic of a project. The other concepts are classifications of project. On the basis of time horizon, the project can be project واحد ዱረቱ እንደሆነ የሩረቱ እንደሆነ አውትፑት ስኑ ከነረቱ እንደሆነ ስኮፒ ሳይረቱ እንደሆነ ኢኮኖሚክ ሴክተር ሳይረቱ እንደሆነ ቴክኖሎጂ ረቱ እንዳውዳን akkasuma location irratti hundaa'uudhaan akkasuma nature of project irratti hundaa'uudhaan projectoota iddoolee garaagaraatti qooduu dandeenya. Iddoo lama iddoo sadi akkasitti qooduu dandeenya. Kan jalqabaa on basis of time horizon yeroo irratti hundaa'uudhaan hamma turtii isaa irratti hundaa'uudhaan project can be divided into three. Those are the first one is long term project, second medium term project, third the short term project. Long term project yeroo dheeraa kan nutti fudhatu danda'u hojiin isaa yeroo dheeraa. The example for that long term project are power plant project. Yeroo dheeraa kan fudhatu. Medium term yeroo giddu galeessatti xumurachuu kan danda'u. Short term project ምንለው yeroo gabaabaa for example exhibition, demonstration. These are short term. On basis of types of output, a project producing tangible product and service አገልግሎት የሚሰጡ those are the project producing the project producing tangible product, which means oil mill, or project providing service telecom project. Those are on basis of types of output. Wannoota nuti harkaan tuttuquu dandeenyu kan nu oomishan kan amman jennaani tangible product dan intangible product kan jennu providing service telecom project warroota jedhuni dandeenyu jechuudha. In other way, on the basis of the scope of project, there are three types of project: international project, national project, regional project. International project, national project, regional project jedha. Kana jechuun scope isaatiin bal'inna isaatiin karaa bal'ina isaatiin iddoo sadii qoodna. International project ዓለም አቀፍ project, which means Euro-Rural project, or national project አገር አቀፍ project. Ethiopian hydro power project, this is a national project. Regional project ምንለው elementary school project means ክልል አቀፍ project ነው። International project kan jennuun addunyaa project sadarkaa addunyaatti kan hojjetamuu danda'u project internationally addunyaa qabeessa fakkeenyaaf staadiyeemii addunyaa akkansi edala addunyaa kan jennuun jechuudha. National kan jennuun sadarkaa biyyaatti kan hojjetamu. Regional project sadarkaa naannootti kan hojjetamuuni akkas jennaa jechuudha. Based on economic sector, we have three types of project. The first, agricultural project, second, industry project, third, service sector project. Agricultural project, irrigation project, like irrigation project or agricultural project. Industry project, cement project, which means manufactured. And the service sector project, bank, hospital, the others. Those are based on economic sector. The others, on the basis of technology, there are two types of project: capital intensive project and labor intensive project, which means bigger project, labor intensive project, textile industry project. These are the types on basis of technology. We have two types: capital intensive project, labor. On the based on location, rural project and urban project. Location በአካርጋማ ሳይት ጋፈም ከሰ ፕሮጀክት ይመጋለራት ወጀታም ፕሮጀክት ባዲያራት ወጀታም ጀኔ ዶ ላማኒ ቆና ጀቻል on basis of nature of project በኔቸር በፕሮጀክቱ ኔቸር ላይ ዲፔንድ ሆነ ስናካፈል ሁለት አይነት ፕሮጀክቶች አሉ። ለምሳሌ ኢንዲፔንደንት ፕሮጀክት ራሱን የቻለ ፕሮጀክት፣ ሆስፒታል፣ ሃይድሮኤሌክትሪክ ፓወር these are the independent project. The others complementary project. This airport project, runway or airport service are different projects which are complementary to each others walqabata kan taane jechuudha. This is the classifications of project on the basis of different things በብዙ መንገድ ዲፔንድ ሆነን ፕሮጀክትን በዚህ መንገድ ልናካፍለው እንችላለን። ፕሮጀክት ማናጅመንት and the role of project manager project managerዎቹ ፊ role of manager on that project on project the role of manager then project management is defined as the applications of knowledge, the application of skills, the applications of tools, the application of technical to project activity in order to meet stakeholders needs and expectation from a project. Kuni project management kan jennuuni dandeettii qabu, beekumsa qabu, humna qabu, wannoota qabu, qabeenya qabu, mala qabu abbaan projektii sana akka barbaadutti wantoota eegaman maraayyuu nama qaama bulchuu jechuudha. Hoogganu jechuudha, bulchuu jechuudha. kallattiin kun project management jedhama. It is concerned with the management of resource successfully to complete the project. Projektiin jalqabame sun karaa milkaa'ina qabuun akka xumuramuu fi maangochuu qaba. Resource isaa guutumaa guututti hoogganuu qaba. The resource being a time. That resource at time don't jira. Yeroo san seeraan manage gochuu money birrii sana seeraan qarshii san manage ta'uu qabdi. Material nachi jala jiru manage ta'uu qaba. Equipment nachi jala jiru hundi isaa maal ta'uu qaba? Manage ta'uu qaba. Resource የምንለው ምን አይነት ሪሶርስ ነው? ታይም is itself resource የሮን ታይሙ ጊዜው ምንድነች? ሪሶርስ ነች። መኒ ብር ሪሶርስ ነች። ማቴሪያል ሪሶርስ ነች። ኢኩፕመንት ሪሶርስ ነው። አጠቃላይ እነኚህን በትክክል ማናጅ መደረግ አለበት። ማናጅ ካልተደረገ ፕሮጀክቱ በተፈለገበት ሰዓት አያልቅም ማለት ነው። ዘን ሮል ኦፍ ፕሮጀክት ማናጀር የፕሮጀክት ማናጀር ምን ማድረግ ነው ማለት ሮል ሚና የማናጀር ሚናው ምን አይነት ሚና አለው? ገሄ ከሚቀባ ማናጀር ፕሮጀክት ይሰራል። ቲጀር ፕላን ኦፍ ወርክ which means scope budget schedule ምን ያወጣል? እቅድ ያወጣል። ከሮረባሱ ባድነ ፕሮጀክት ይሰና ባጀት ተሳፍ በርባችስ የሮን ተጥሙረሙ በርባችስ ስኮፕ ሲፋት ባጀት የሚያስፈልገው ባጀት scheduled time the time limited የሮሳ obtain and manage resource resources management resolve conflict and problems ያለውን ችግሮች መፍታት የግጭቶችን መፍታት ማንጎቹ ቀባ ካሮረባሱ ቀባ አቺሞ ቀበኛ ጅሩ ሰነ ሴራን ሆጋኑ ደቀብ አቺሞ ማልጎቹ ቀባ ረኮሌ ጅራኒ ፊ ወልታውን ሰጀሩ ፍሩ ቀባ the motivate people እዛ ውስጥ የሚሰሩትን ሰዎች ምን ማነቃቃት ናሞታች የሰጀራንሰ ካካሱ this is the role of project managers plan work escape budget schedules obtain manage resource resolve conflict and problems rakwaካሽ ጅራንሰና ፍሩ motivate people ናሞታ ካካሱ communicate to the team ከቲሞቹ ጋር ማውራት ቲሞታ ወጅን ዱባቹ ገሬሳን ወጅን ዱባቹ communicate to the organ ከኦርጋናይዜሽኑ ጋር communicate with the client ከከስተመሮቹ ጋር ማውራት set priority ቅድሚያ መስጠት ለዛ መስጠት አለበት። ዘን ፕሮጀክት ተርሚኖሎጂ ቀጥሎ ያለው ምንድነው? ፕሮጀክት ተርሚኖሎጂ ከፕሮጀክት ጋር ያለው ተርሞች ፕሮግራም which means refers to the group of project program project is refers to the definite or specified tasks to be accomplished. This is the other task is a further subdivisions of project subset of work element work package a group of activity to be or project with program project is normally originated from plan which can be national plan or corporate plan. In many cases the term project is used for what should be termed as program or work package. Some people use the term project and the program interchangeable. However, there is a quite different project እና ፕሮግራም የተለያየ ነው። ፕሮጀክት is specific objective ነው። ፕሮግራም ጀነራል ነው። ፕሮግራም in generally is a group of related project that are managed in the coordinate ways to the achieve certain objective. Any development plan can be considered as a program. Program is large in scope. Program is large in scope. No specific project area. Not necessarily time bound for a program. Its objective are broader. Program large in scope, no specific project area, not necessarily time bound. Its objective are broader. Example, national goal, strategy, development program. Those are a program. This may result in a numbers of projects like constructions of dam. Those are a program. So it is enough for today. This is all about chapter 1 of project analysis and evaluation. Next we can begin chapter 2, project identification, no, project cycle. Chapter project cycle. This is all about chapter 1. Kun chapter 1 nasratti murama. Erga waan kan laaltanii fixxaniin booda like subscribe gochuun dagatana. Like if subscribe in dagatana ulfaadha. Galatooma wayyama yeroo gaarii.